chemical change. Unlike a physical change, which only changes the form of a substance, a chemical change produces a new substance. So a physical change, the chemical composition of the substance remains the same, only the form changes. When solid water melts, it remains water, it's just in liquid form. Chemical changes, though, change the chemical composition of the substance into a new substance with new physical and chemical properties. When chlorine, a poisonous gas, and sodium, an extremely reactive metal, combine, they produce sodium chloride, known as table salt. Now, there are different evidences to look for to determine if a chemical change has taken place. One evidence is color change. When you mix two substances together and get a color that would not occur naturally, that's a color change. Blue and red creating purple is something that would happen with food coloring, so that's not a color change. But blue and red creating yellow is not normal, and that could indicate a chemical change. Just like you see here with the pink liquid and being mixed with a clear liquid, and the liquid is turning out purple and then blue. Odor change is when you smell a substance before and after and you notice a difference. That could be a chemical change. Thermal energy change is another one. The absorbing of energy, temperature goes down, or releasing of energy, temperature goes up, could indicate a chemical reaction. However, you have to have a thermal energy change without something being heated up in the stove or cooled down in a freezer. Thermal energy change has to happen by just mixing two substances together and seeing that temperature change. Like when we mix this liquid here with aluminum foil, you can see here the temperature is actually rising. Production of light is also another one, and this could be an indication of a chemical change. Just like sparklers and fireworks creating that light, that's an indication that there is a chemical change occurring. Formation of gas is another one. Seeing smoke or bubbles not caused from boiling on the stove can also be an indication of a chemical change. Formation of precipitate. Now, precipitate is where you have two liquids and they form a solid. That could be an indication of a chemical change. So signs of a chemical change are color, odor, thermal energy change, light production, gas production, and precipitate formation.